If you are holding cryptocurrency, I have a massive update for you. I'm going to be doing some technical analysis on Bitcoin in the market. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my thoughts and where I think we are headed in the immediate short term. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. We take a look here. Looks like our longs are printing from the bottom. Bitcoin is bouncing, looking very good here. And it looks like we could be in some type of local bottom, could have some type of support being developed here. Let's get into it. So one of the most important things that I have noticed with Bitcoin here is you can see this 200 EMA. Bitcoin has reclaimed, we lost the 200 EMA, but we have reclaimed the 200 EMA, are now closing and holding above it. This is a pretty good indication that there is gonna be some type of short-term bounce. It looks like Bitcoin is heading to this level I'm gonna be sharing with you guys right now, around $114,000. You can see there is a lot of liquidations here, and the market just loves to rotate back and forth to liquidations. And there is a big one here at 114,000. This could be targeted. And it's probably a likely target for Bitcoin to bounce to. But the question is, all right, if Bitcoin bounces to 114K, which is this exact level here, what is going to happen? Well, if we get a strong rejection here, and the overall market is looking weak, the stock market, futures are looking weak, I'll probably be wanting to cut all of my leverage exposure, probably take some profits on some spot that we bought at the very bottom here, and rotate into short positions. We still have 10 days left of this month, and usually it's the beginning part of months that are bullish, not the end of months. The end of months is when things can get kind of choppy because you have hedge funds, they need to secure their gains, their profits for their bonuses at the end of the year. So the end of months are a bit shaky. But at the very end of the month, last cycle and October and September, things were really, really bullish. So that could play out as well. So this is the bearish case scenario, which could bring us down even lower. Bitcoin even hit a low of 103,000 on Friday. So everything is looking pretty good for a bounce. Are we gonna go to 92,000 right now or very, very soon? It depends. But Bitcoin, if we just zoom out here, you can see the range. Bitcoin has reclaimed the range. We've taken out the range low, and just based on range bound TA, Bitcoin will probably come up and test the range high of 120,000, somewhere in that region, if we're just playing off of the range and if Bitcoin continues to range. But the first level, we're not gonna look at that right now. We're gonna look at 114,000. This is my magnet. This is where I think we are headed, and probably very, very likely. If we take a look now, we can see futures has opened up pretty positive, and futures has also, the stock market, has also recovered pretty well on that last dip from Friday. On top of it, we even had on Friday, silver and gold take a pretty steep dive. Is this the possible local top end for metals? Probably, maybe, who knows? But that's just something to pay attention to. So for now, it looks like the market is bottoming, kind of bouncing. We're gonna keep an eye on the market. It looks very, very strong so far. Notice that this bounce is holding up pretty strong. It's still very early. It's still Sunday. We still have Monday and Tuesday. We wanna see how early on this week, if the market's gonna still show some strength, and that's gonna be a very good indication. So Bitcoin has reclaimed support. We've bounced off the 200 EMA on the daily time frame. Everything is looking good. Even on my trading indicators, on the 4-hour time frame, they have now flipped green. So this is usually what I look for in a momentum switch to go long to start buying some coins. If this is true, altcoins are probably gonna fly and do some bullish things, and they're gonna bounce probably very, very hard. Now, if you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.